Hello guys! Welcome back to Stuff About Tutorials channel. Today, we're talking about on how to share Tome AI presentation. If you're a presenter, a teacher, a businessman, or someone who is not so sure on how to share the presentation in Tome AI, then this video is perfect for you. So to start with, let us open our Google Chrome and go to Tome.app and of course enter your account. And so since I already logged in my account here, we can now proceed to the creation of presentation first before showing on how to do the sharing. Okay, so over here, tap the create. Okay, and after that, create a presentation about. Next is type the topic that you want. Let's say, for example, opinion. Okay, fact and opinion. All right, so fact and opinion. Okay, so I want Tome to give me a presentation about fact and opinion, and then click enter. And let's wait for a moment so that Tome has time to generate an outline for us. Alright, so there you go. Introduction, what is fact? Okay, so we have already an outline here. So all we have to do is click continue. And of course, let us wait for a moment so that Tome can finish generating the presentation. Okay. So as you can see, in a couple of seconds, we have now an instant presentation about the topic that we want. Okay, all right. So as you can see, we have 8 slides. Okay, facts are fiction, navigating the fine line between truth and opinion. So this is our title. All right. So now we are going to show you on how to share this presentation. So all you need to do, guys, okay, over here, just drag your phone, and at the upper right part of the screen, there is a word share. Just tap that, and okay, you can copy the link and send to someone who wants you to share this presentation. Okay, so copy link, and once it's copied, then you can go to the messaging platform where you can able to send that link to someone that you want to receive the presentation. Alright, so there we go. This is on how to share Tome AI presentation. So if you want to know on how to share Tome AI presentation, that's the easiest way I know. And if you know another way on how to share Tome AI presentation, just leave a comment below and be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye guys!